I can go through every part of an organization, not just my organization, but any organization. And I guarantee you don't have enough people to do the work that's there. And when you do, there's more work to be done. ElasticGPT has enabled us to create efficiencies for our employees that allows them to do more within the workday. Generative AI is a great solution for all customers, for all companies, in order to create that efficiency in today's world. But our job as an IT organization is to enable the business. We want each of these organizations to be able to go out and use this technology to do more. Employees, they need to find information. They need to understand what their health plans are. They need to understand what the process is to do X, Y, or Z. What we chose to do with ElasticGPT is pick an application, but its real purpose is to start to build the framework that allows our organization to go faster, but making sure that we have a single place where we can manage it, control it. More importantly, that we have confidence that the data and the information that's coming together is accurate.
Before building any GenAI tool, the first thing you want to invest in is your data strategy. GenAI at the core is all about your data, garbage in, garbage out. So you want to make sure that you have a well-defined data strategy as well as a governance framework. So because we've built ElasticGPT from the ground up, and we include our enterprise data sources, which provides context to the LLMs, the answer that's retrieved is going to be grounded in our specific information. So for example, if I ask something simple like, how can I request access to Jira? So now the answer, or the response that's being generated is actually a search that's performed in the backend from our enterprise data sources, and then is then passed on to the LLM as context to generate this response. The platform gives us flexibility to experiment and do new things and try new things, which I think is a major advantage in the way that we've architected our tool. Investing in and building ElasticGPT goes beyond the traditional, just the bottom line value that we're trying to create here. We're looking to drive productivity across our business lines. And today what we're building is the foundation of what's to come. So as we think about workflow automation or agentic AI and additional data sources and specialized models, we've done the investment already up front to build that foundation so that we can quickly add these additional capabilities as the technology emerges.
There are real measurable improvements around efficiencies. Again, no matter what company you work at, no matter how many salespeople you have, you don't have enough to get to all the market because there's more market to get.